Welcome to MELTSHOP Australia Waratah Steelmaking. The first part of the process is the receival of various scrap material. All of our scrap is transported to site via road over a weighbridge. The scrap is stored in our scrapyard, capable of holding 4,000 tonnes. On site, we can store 12,000 tonnes of scrap. Scrap material is supplied through various suppliers across the country, including returns from our customers, including used rail wheels and grinding media. The scrap is loaded into the charge bucket via 2 magnet cranes or the excavator. The charge bucket is then transferred to the EAF, ready for charging. Waratah Steelmaking electric arc furnace is a 60-tonne AC electric arc furnace. It's supplied by a 45 MVA transformer and has an oxygen carbon lance and oxygen fuel burners. When the heat is tapped from the electric arc furnace, the ladle is sent to one of 2 ladle furnaces. Number 1 ladle furnace has a 10 MVA transformer supplying. Number 2 has a 6 MVA transformer supplying. Both ladle furnaces are supplied from fully automated alloy system. All ingot heats as part of the process are sent to our DH Degasser. It is a single snorkel arrangement with argon injection. Standard hydrogen achieved is 2 ppm. With extended treatments we can achieve 1.4 ppm. Rail wheel steel grades have excellent cleanliness, meeting strict quality accreditation requirements. Ingots are teamed from one of our 3 bottom pour teaming stages. Ingots come in squares, rounds and fluted ingot shapes. The vertical caster is fed molten steel from the ladle furnace. Once the heats have been refined into ladle furnace, then sent to the caster. Our caster is a Rock-Op Nippon 6.5 metre radius 2-stand design. Each strand has electromagnetic stirring, 3 spray zones, maximum billet length of 9.3 metres, but with capital investment we can achieve 12 metre billet length. Billet sections are 160mm square, 130mm square and 148 to 209mm rounds.